What's up, guys? It's your boy Case Legacy here, making a YouTube video of my new fidget spinners. So, moving on to number one, we got this one. This one is really cool. I got this one from Kroger's. I got an allowance of $25 from mowing the lawn. And this one is really cool, guys. Really cool fidget spinner. And, yeah. And then moving on to the next one. This one actually looks like chocolate ice cream. This one makes no noise, guys. Makes a little bit of noise, but not that much noise. And then, this one looks like chocolate ice cream. And it looks really cool. Really good fidget spinner, kind of shaky, kind of not. You know, moving on to the next one. It's just like kind of like this one. How I traded my fidget cube for this one. But I bought this one at Kroger's and it's really good. Spins really good. Kind of noisy and kind of shaky. Get the bearings out of place. There you go. It's not really shaky. It's a really good fidget spinner. You know, it's got the bearings and the arm thing. So, I'll make another video tomorrow. Subscribe, like the video. Comment which one is your favorite. Is it the chocolate ice cream one? The kind of like, you know, I don't know how to explain this one. Or this blue one. Comment down below. Or this one. Comment down below and subscribe, like the video. And